You wanna lick? Hi everyone, I'm Katy Perry, and today I'm gonna be attempting to make tiny, vegan, Bragg apple cider vinegar donuts. I know that perfection is an illusion, but I'm a magician most of the time, and I like to get it right. I like to, make things look nice. It's one of my patterns that I'm working on. I don't cook at home, but this is probably as much as I cook. My mom is actually the one that introduced me to Bragg apple cider vinegar. My mom was always kind of putting together a salad or a concoction to keep us well, and we generally really benefited from that health from my mother. So when I think of my mother and I think of food, I think of health. What's this?
Sugar or cinnamon.
Oh my God, there's tiny cinnamon. Tiny spoon. I'm scooping the sugar, the cinnamon. Oh, this is so nice. So she loves her milks. She's had peas, she's had carrots, she's had squash. She just started eating oatmeal, and it's all over her face this morning, and that's the best part. And the noises that they make when they eat, it's just like, it's so cute. Look at this tiny bottle of Bragg apple cider vinegar. Your grandma used it. My mom used it. Okay, now I'm putting it all in. Here we go. Tap, 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 tap. And I'm gonna put this cashew milk. The cleaner the food, the closer to God. I should use my little spatula. Oh. That's very nice. I think it needs just a touch more sugar. Excuse me. Over the sink. You know, when I was single, pre-fiance, and child, I would say I ate a lot of my meals in the car, on the go. Just like, just grab it, go, or have it made and just eat it in the car on the way to something. But I was working like a fiend. I'm gonna do some pouring. It's gonna, yeah, there we go. All right. We're gonna pop this in the oven. Here, okay, bling. So now we're gonna make the Bragg apple cider glaze. My mom was responsible for packing my lunches, and since she was the more health and organic side of my family, on a good day we had one of those like oat and honey bars, but that was like wild. That was like, and all my other friends, they had Dunkaroos and Gushers, and I never could trade shit. It was all about trading at school, and I had nothing to trade. So I would go over to my friends' houses and basically eat their snacks, and then I would also babysit in exchange for snacks. The kids would eat the Oreos with me. I never got called to babysit again. Okay, guys, it's time to glaze these nuts. Donuts. We're talking tiny donuts. And let's see how it worked. Voila! Look at that. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out of this little container. And there we go. Wow, look, guys. I like to do, I like Impossible meatloaf, because I was raised on meatloaf. And now I can give myself an alternative that's not, as bad. Then this one looks really good. I'm gonna put that on its side, right here. Oh, and there it is, guys. There are my tiny vegan Bragg apple cider vinegar donuts. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, especially the new moms. I see you and I love you. You're doing great. I'm really enjoying eating these now. This is about the size I can eat now that I let myself eat. You wanna lick?